we're up and running. Let's go, boys. Alright. So. Double check this. Got my milk. What's going on here? What is going wrong? Hello. Alright, I gotta figure out what's happening. It's not quite working. Oh, there we go. There we go. Cool. Alrighty. Let me see. Alright. Here we go. Oh yeah. Didn't want to leak my shit, you know? Alright, yeah. Just didn't want to leak my shit, so. Well, let's. Oh shit. Whatever. Check out market conditions. Alright. All right. Damn, bro. This is a little weird. Alright. Let me analyze this real quick. Pretty stacked clothes. What the hell is this?
Okay. Excuse me. Stay. Ah. Oh yeah. If we could leave like some relative equal highs, that would be pretty juicy. Oh man, if we could leave like 3 relative equal highs, that would be so good. That would be awesome. Oh, no. Bro. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. somehow. Mm. 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 Bro, I ain't going to your goofy website. Sketchy shit. I ain't doing that shit. Mm. People, more people will show up. Eventually, we'll get there. We'll get there. You know what I'm saying, Doug? Mm. Um, start. Oh. Bro. Oh my god. Why is it? Why, bro? Oh my gosh. No, that's not what I did. That's what I typed in. Oh my gosh. And yes. Now let's let it go. Alright. Mm, 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 mm. There we go. There we go. Bro. This is actually beautiful, bro. This is beauty. Oh, look at, we sweep both previous session highs. Previous day highs are like way the fuck up here. So, no. But on NASDAQ, well, not NASDAQ, we didn't sweep any previous session highs. So, that means it's a bearish SMT divergence from this high and this high over to this one, if we can form a high. And then it is from this high and this high over to this one. So, the one we want to take the trade on is the one that does not have a fair value gap way down here, and the only one is up here. So, if we could just fill that, that would be pretty goated. It would be a W. Be a freaking W. Oh, bro, I don't want to fill it though, because I don't want to push higher. I don't want to push higher. I want to reverse. Okay, you're gonna get that close. You sweep it. There you go. Don't sweep just right. Okay, I guess that's fine. I guess that's fine. Right. Which, I mean, what did I try to sweep? Maybe these eyes. Yeah. That's fine. You could still get trade in, so. Oh. Alright, bro. Oh boy, boy, boy. There's not much for news today. We got Trump speaks, but that already happened. And so yeah, that already happened. Yeah, there's not much for news. So oh.
give me something. Okay, yeah, I mean this gap is filled. Bro, I'm literally, bro, I'm so sore, bro. I'm so sore right now, bro. If we could make a fair value gap, that would be ideal. And not reverse yet. Because then we'd have to break structure like way bigger. We already had a pretty crazy move. So let's check this out. Damn. Oh my gosh, dude. That might have just been like the move for the day, dude. Like, what? What? Yo, that is crazy. Bro, what? Damn. That's like, hold on. We moved like 0.86%. Damn. Yeah. We moved like 0.80%. What? Okay, sure. Now we're gonna reverse. We'll see how it plays out, but I wouldn't be too eager to trade if with that big of a move already. Like, whoa. You know? We'll see. I'll see. Cause that like this one is probably even more. Like, bro, I don't really want to trade. Okay, it's not as much, but still, we had huge moves on both of them. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Damn. Yeah, I feel like if our move does play out, I feel like we're going to like just boom, take profit, you know. I don't feel like we're gonna have any sort of an entry. So yeah. I mean, yeah, we could form a high. Or sorry, a low rather, but we could form a low to break structure off of. But then by the time we get all of our confluences in place, it's gonna be a pretty good move already. Do, do, Oh, boy, bros. Not ideal, bros. I know what we're doing over here. Alright, we fully filled that gap. I don't think it knows what it wants to do. Oh my gosh, bros. Oh my goodness, broskies, broskies, broskies. Not this child. Remove. Do. See, like, 79% extension is way over there. But it's. Oh, whoa. Okay, 79% extension is like right here, which is kind of far, you know? It's kind of one of those situations where it's like there's a gap, it's been filled. You could say it was inverse, but then if it goes against you, you'll be like, oh, the gap was already filled. It was just filling equilibrium. You'll just like make some shit excuse for why you didn't follow your strategy. So that's what I don't want to do, is be like, oh, the gap was inverse. It's like the gap was already filled, so I don't want to, I can't like confidently say that if it's inverse, price is going to go down, you know? So, that's where I'm at the moment, the momento. I don't know what the heck. This thing is kind of weird though. It's like a big blobby thing. See, like, that could have just been fully filling the gap. And some people might be longing here. Maybe not, but might be longing. They're longing. Just because, like, early time frame, where inverse the gap, we broke structure, well, I mean, none of those things officially happened, but I know people that would very much like to take bullish trades today. But it's like, a key objective to the upside is way the hell up here. It is a pretty decent draw because there's like this high, there's this high, there's this high, there's this high. Now it's stacked once you get there, but it's also pretty far away. My eye is like always watering for some reason. Okay, now we have something to break structure off of. Right? Some people might say I don't think people say. It's gonna say, some people might say the gap was inverse and then we filled equilibrium and now we're needing to break a structure. Yeah, we are having a 5 minute 5 minute change in order flow, but it's probably gonna take those lows, but it just doesn't like follow my strategy necessarily to a T, you know? So, yeah. Probably gonna break structure. I don't even know if we're gonna get like any sort of retrace. Probably not. We'll probably just go for those lows. Munching over here. Bro, hold on. This strategy is not ideal right now. Whoa, shit. Oh, shit. I think that's down. Yeah, let's analyze it from a long perspective, shall we? Yeah. So right here, I know someone probably went long. And I would have too, if we didn't take out any objectives. Maybe this is your only TP. This is your stop loss. Maybe that's it. Maybe this stop loss is like this gap. Okay, let's see on the TV. Maybe, oh, sorry. Maybe this bus is here, and TV is way up there. Maybe break even is here, maybe that's first VP. I don't know. But let me explain to you why this is not an ideal trade. Some people, some people probably long here as well. I'll do this. I'll move that to the side for now. Some people, they probably long. Stops could have been below here or below here. First take profit. This could have been break even, and then take profit would have been up here. So these are two longs that people probably took. Now, not saying they're not gonna play out. I'm not saying they're gonna play out. I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying why I didn't take them. So this one is, let's see, yeah, this one, we come down, we fill a gap, and we get a 1 minute break stretch out of it. Yeah, that's generally a good long. If, the big if, we didn't take out two of our key objectives for the day on both indexes. So I would probably get like first VP like here, maybe over TP. So not saying they're not gonna play out, but this is one someone probably took, and then maybe some of them got stopped out, and if they did, and if they're eager to trade again, this is probably next in line for longs. And yeah, they would have been in some decent profit, but see, like here they would. I just, those people that like can't, they're like, oh my gosh, it's our strategy. If I say it out loud, the steps are there. It's like, yeah, I guess they're there, but if you just really think about it for like longer than half a second, you could probably figure out it's not a great trade. Because we already took two main objectives, it's just, it's not an ideal trade to be taking. And, it's just very, very much so less than ideal. So, that's why I didn't take it. I just one over here. See, like, here. Not willing to take this at all. And some people, let's say some people would take in, see, this gap inverse. I know someone who took it. I just don't want to take it because we already took that too many draws. They would have been in some decent profit, but, and like, I know someone who took this trade right here. Like, you're in profit, but it's like, why are you entering on a down candle? And this should have been your entry. And you're way, way late on your entry. And your take profit's like up here. It's just, it's less than ideal for me, to be honest. To be honest, guys, I low-key am not gonna trade because we got this huge move up, so I think I'm gonna end it here. Good chatting with you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Back on stream tomorrow. Alright. Peace out.